Okay, so we are just priming our lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. Your girl does not own an actual eyeshadow primer, go figure. So yeah, we're just using this. I'm patting that in with this brush just to kind of smooth it all over my eyelid. Now going into the James Charles palette, I'm taking that red shade, and it's a deep, pure red, and I'm placing that all over my lid. So this is going all over our eye. I'm going above my natural crease as well. I'm not taking it too high where it's all up in the brow bone, but I am placing it down and then slightly blending it out. I figured that is what is helping the pigmentation pop a little bit more. And then I'm just going in with this flat brush by e.l.f. and patting more color onto my lid. So take your time, don't rush it, and then you just diffuse the edges with a fluffy brush. But there's no need to add any extra colors. I wanted to keep it pure red because that was kind of the point. So yeah, just pat and then blend. Pat, pack more shadow and blend. That is the movement, that is the wave, that is what we are going for. So I actually hated these lashes, but I'm going to have them listed down below anyway. These are the ones I put on. They felt like plastic, sis. But it's fine. It worked out. So I'm just diffusing the red on my lid. And then I'm just taking this towel and catching any fallout. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. liquid liner and just create a line for my lashes. I'm not creating a wing. I wanted to keep this very bold and artsy and just kind of uninhibited. So this is just to really tie the lashes in. Nothing too major. Alright, so we are back now to do face. We popped on these atrocious lashes. And I'm just going in with this e.l.f. Hydrate Balm to kind of give me some moisture, girl. Have our skin looking sexy and supple. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild matte primer and placing that on top and smoothing it in. This combo has been doing it for your girl lately, okay? Just the key to good foundation is the moisture. Now I'm dotting this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte and poreless in 340. And sis, you gotta go section by section with this because it dries like paint. Okay, you can't throw this all over your face and just expect to get to it when you get to it. It's going to be crusty and it's going to smear on you. So, yeah, just take your time. Go section by section. Pat it in. And it doesn't come with a pump, so that's why I had to put it on with my hands. But it's a good foundation nevertheless. So, yeah, just take your time. Now I'm taking my black Radiance. They call it a corrector. It's part of the Corrector series. But this is a concealer shade. So yeah, I am placing that in all the areas I normally highlight. Under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, all the good spots. Now I'm just taking my Ruby Kisses Pure Mineral Concealer, the one I always use to cream contour, and I'm cream contouring. And this is in the color Caramel. It should be dark cocoa, but here we are. And this is my Sonia Kashuk sponge from Target. Now I'm taking my black Opal powder in 400 medium. And I'm just setting around my mouth. I always do this. And then I'm going to take it all over my nose. This just helps to keep it together throughout the look and throughout the day. And so now I'm just taking my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I had dropped it and had to do damage control. But it's fine because now we're here and we're just patting it in under our eyes, on our forehead. We're going to place it down the bridge of our nose as well. Now I'm taking my Nicka K Contour Duo. Got this from the beauty supply. I use it all the time. It's nothing new. And I am just contouring over the cream contour I put down to kind of set it into place. And then I'm also going to contour my nose with this fluffy eyeshadow brush in the same powders. Now I'm just going underneath my contour. I always do this to kind of carve out my face because it's kind of round. Your girl has cheeks. And so this is just a mix of my black Opal powder and the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And now I'm going to take this Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara. This is a new one for me at this current moment, but I like it, and I'm just blending my false lashes with my real lashes because they're so curly. I have to do this step afterwards. So now I'm going into that blue in the James Charles palette and this flat e.l.f. brush, and I'm going right underneath my waterline. So this is where the blue in the primary color scheme comes in. That's all I'm putting down there is this blue, and I'm kind of flicking it out just a little bit. I thought it was cute, but you really can't tell. But yeah, just place that under your eyes. And so I'm just dusting away any extra powder I put to catch my fallout and all over my face. I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and this brush. It's a small kind of fluffy brush. And I am placing that in my inner corner, so this makes the color I'm going to put down super bold. And I'm taking that yellow in the James Charles palette. Duh, this is the palette I've been using the whole time. Anyways, I'm placing that in the inner corner. And that is the yellow in the primary color scheme. So I thought this was super pretty. I was really delicate so it wouldn't turn green or orange mixing with the other colors. But you get what I was doing. So then I'm taking that middle shade and using that as a blush. I didn't want anything too red, so this was actually perfect, and then I just blend it out. Then I'm going into the Itsmyrayeraye palette, and I'm taking that highlighter shade. I wanted something with a little bit more yellow undertone to it to match the yellow in the look. So this is really, really golden, really, really yellow, and it was perfect. I placed that in all the normal spots I highlight. And then I'm just doing my 3 dots with my liquid liner. So I put 3 on the outside and 1 on the inner corner. I thought it was pretty with the artsy type of look on my eye. And then I'm just drawing on my faux mole with my Jordana pencil. Now I'm taking the Rimmel London Stay Matte Setting Spray, and girl, just drown your face. Take a bath, take a shower, and pat it in. That is how you get it to melt like butter. So now we're doing lips, and I am taking this pencil I got from the beauty supply, but it is balm.com. It is in cork. I'll have the brand listed down below, and I'm just lining my lips. I can't wear bright colors with no lip liner, y'all. My lips too big. So then I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid catsuit. I think this is Missy and Fierce. And yeah, we're just going to put that all over our lips, zhuzh them together, and then do another coat in a second for more intensity. And that is pretty much the look, babes. Alright, y'all, so that is it. This is the completed look. I don't know where the inspiration came from this. Look, I was feeling Crayola. I'm getting daycare vibes. I'm getting slight ketchup and mustard. There's a lot of inspo from a lot of different places. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below so you can become a part of the Trice tribe and never miss a video from moi. Also hit the bell so you get notified. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It helps me out a lot to kind of let me know what you guys like and what you don't. Because sometimes your girl don't be knowing. It's a shot in the dark. Also, leave comments, y'all. I love when people leave comments. I like to interact with people, talk back to people, see what people think. So, yeah, definitely hit up my comment section and say what you want to say. I appreciate you, whether it is your first time here or if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much. It does not go unnoticed. And, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.